Today, we're diving into a crucial topic in maritime safety: collision or grounding drills. These drills are essential for ensuring that a crew is prepared to handle emergencies that can arise when a vessel collides with another ship or runs aground. So, what exactly is a collision or grounding drill? Simply put, it's a training exercise that simulates the conditions of a ship collision or grounding. The goal is to practice the immediate actions that crew members must take to control damage and maintain stability. These drills help ensure that everyone on board knows their roles and responsibilities in an emergency situation. During a drill, key actions are emphasized. First, the crew must assess the situation quickly. This means identifying the extent of the damage and determining if the ship is taking on water. Next, the crew will initiate damage control procedures. This could involve sealing off affected compartments, activating pumps to remove water, and ensuring that all watertight doors are closed. Communication is vital during this process. Crew members must relay information to the bridge and coordinate their actions effectively. Another critical aspect of these drills is maintaining the ship's stability. If a vessel is damaged, it can list or even capsize. Crew members practice adjusting ballast and redistributing weight to keep the ship upright. This is where teamwork comes into play. Each member must work together, following established protocols to ensure the safety of everyone on board. Now, how often should these drills be conducted? The International Maritime Organization recommends that vessels conduct collision and grounding drills at least once every 3 months. However, many companies choose to hold them more frequently, especially if they operate in busy or hazardous waters. Regular practice helps reinforce skills and keeps the crew sharp and ready for any situation. In summary, collision and grounding drills are vital for maritime safety. They prepare the crew to respond effectively to emergencies, ensuring that they can manage damage and maintain stability. By practicing these drills regularly, we can enhance our readiness and protect lives at sea. Understanding these procedures is not just about compliance. It's about fostering a culture of safety on board.